Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. It's hot, and we like to keep ourselves cool. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make Salmorejo. This Spanish chilled soup is exactly what you need for the summer months. Plus, it's easy to make. Let's get started. In the jar of a blender and working in batches if your blender is not big enough, we'll add blanched tomatoes with their skins removed. I didn't show you how to do it because there's a full episode on it. So to view it, click on the top right corner of your screen. To this, we'll add stale bread cubes, low sodium vegetable broth, then vinagre de Jerez, which is a sherry vinegar from Spain. If you don't have any on hand, use red wine vinegar instead. Followed by a large clove of garlic, some ground sea salt, and freshly ground black pepper. We'll put the lid on, but we'll remove the filler cap because we'll be emulsifying the mixture. So we'll pulse a few times before setting the speed on medium. And slowly, because this is how we can integrate the oil into the mixture without it separating, we'll pour in the oil. When this is done, we'll taste and adjust if necessary. It might need some salt or pepper. We'll transfer the soup into a large bowl, cover, and chill for 3 to 5 hours. When it's time to serve, we'll top with chopped serrano ham, although prosciutto is a delicious substitute, chopped hard-boiled egg, and garnish with croutons, which you can get my amazing herb garlic parmesan croutons recipe by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. And my friends, this is our Salmorejo. This Spanish cold soup is incredibly delicious. The combination of ingredients and seasonings is perfectly well balanced. With hot summer days, serve this tasty soup to your guests and family. They'll love it. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!